Vitara D16 build. I spent a good amount of time tuning it last night. It's still on conservative timings to help break in the motor, but the AFR is looking right at about 11.5. So even though it is only at 9 pounds, it's still finding the weak links in the driveline, which at this point, it's definitely the clutch. It's in desperate need of an upgrade, to say the least.
Slipping a lot.
The first time I tried to do a full throttle shift, it just clutch didn't like it. But I can like slow shift it and it holds.
So while I was working on the car, my buddy decided to roll up in his Nissan Skyline. It's an R32 GT It has a RB20, factory turbo motor. And we just kind of cruised around. It was a nice day, so we decided to hit some roads, and we eventually ended up on the freeway and had a little fun.
I think you can beat him.
Think so? That'd be fun though.
I think it'd be a pretty good race, honestly.
His car, it boosts a lot faster, like
yeah, there's no lag.
Mine's got some lag. Little motor, big turbo.
I think top end wise, you can get him, but I don't know, it'd be a good race. It's pretty fair right now.
Yeah. All my break-in setup, it's fair. Go that way.
I got on at full throttle just to kind of show my buddy what the car can do and everything like that. And I noticed my buddy in the Skyline was keeping up right behind me, and we were kind of talking like maybe he might be interested in a race, because we weren't really sure if he would push his car that hard, because it is like a 91 or 92 Skyline. It's pretty old, parts are expensive, they're hard to find, so I just wasn't sure if he would be down. But after seeing him keep up with me the way he did, I was like, let's see if we can get something going. Follow me.
Vitara?
Yeah. That's gonna be a good fucking race, man.
He wasn't really pulling at you at all.
He did take off first.
He took off, yeah, that's why. But like once you press on the gas, like you guys stay consistent.
That's gonna be a good race.
Alright, so we're messing up with the settings. Yeah, what was that? Oh, thanks for being behind us.
Oh my
it's
God.
A 10mm. That's gold.
He's probably
not very happy.
Yeah, he's like, damn, that could have hit my car. I'm fucking pissed.
He had no facial expression. He's mad at us. Sounds better.
Let's see if it does stuff. Damn it, every time. He's
now he's not gonna get that close. Sounds better. What happened?
It's
Yeah,
like,
like
like a lean protection thing. I don't know. I was messing with settings.
I would wait. Go for it. Pretty good.
That was really good.
That was really good.
Damn, what a good race.
It's good. He's slowing down.
So basically what was happening here is the more I pushed the car, the more it pushed back. The clutch just would not hold anymore. Even if I slow shifted and would make an effort for the clutch to grab, it would just let go. There was nothing I could do. And I think in this video I was at the top of third where it let go and was bouncing off the rev limiter. The car was not going anywhere. And even in this next clip, whenever we come around the corner, top of third, it starts to let go, and I actually feather it. You can hear me feather it, trying to get it to hold and then actually stay in it at the very end. But basically, this car just needs the clutch really bad. That's going to be the very next thing I do, for sure.
That whole time in third gear, the clutch was slipping.
You were slipping the whole time?
Yeah. My clutch is dying. It's like I gotta grill him in on the top end.
Yeah. I think with a better clutch.
That's fucking, I love it when it races close like that, dude. That's the best. It's the best whenever you're side by side next to a car, you know? Not like not like one-sided, you know? It's like side by side.
That was good.
Side by side.
That was good.
The very last one with my phone out the window was like the
That's
best.
the best one. It's clean. It's like he's right here.
Yeah, you can like touch the car
You can hear
almost.
His exhaust, you can hear your exhaust. In the car, I'm like, yeah.
That was a lot of fun though. It's like definitely your car, it spools up a lot faster. Like it gets going a lot faster. It does. But it's like,
Yeah, it looks like you're taking off.
I've got a small window there.
Which is weird because it feels like I just hit the gas and I'm just waiting for it to take the hell off.
When did you just kick in?
It takes off at a weird RPM. That's when it takes off. It takes off, but it doesn't take off that low. It doesn't. It feels like my gears are so super long too. It's like there's a sweet spot somewhere.
Yeah. The AC went out on the way up here. I think it's a control head, and it's like $400 for a R32. You got to get one that's like original. They don't make nothing for the car, right? It's like
Don't make nothing.
yeah.
It's not.
So you gotta like
No aftermarket anything.
it's like you can't just go to like AutoZone and get one. You gotta.
You gotta go to Japanese AutoZone. Japan AutoZone. Japan zone. That's where you gotta go.
Yeah.
That was fun. I liked it. I need to suit my car up now.
I know, right?
No racing control head. We need a turbo.
I knew I should have ordered that intercooled kit.
Makes you want to just get more out of it.
Before it melted.
Oh, he's got a rusty tank because it sat for years with like a quarter tank of gas, and all the air in the tank just made everything rust up real nasty. So he's got to deal with that too. Problem.
It's super rusty. Like a 30-year-old steel tank with a quarter tank of gas. It sat around for who knows how long, but it's full of rust. It said 3 fuel filters, and they just when you turn them over, just sand comes out. So.
Did he show you the video? The inside of the tank?
Yeah, he showed me.
Dude, that's like, I'm surprised that car's running.
So it's that, and your coolant was like clay or something, right? Like like mud.
Rust too, yeah, clay, rust.
Just imagine a car that's been sitting for years and years, and it's like all the fluids and all everything just kind of. What, the dipstick? Huh? No, they worried about this. It's fine. If only they knew what other problems this car had.
I didn't tell myself I was going to go drag racing in that thing, just bow style.
It was his idea.
That was not my idea.
It was his.
I did kind of say it would be an even race, or a good race. Right?
It all started from when I got on it and you stayed behind me. And like, oh, he was getting on it too. Maybe he'll race me.
You asked me before, and I told you, yeah. You were like, oh, you acted surprised when I was like, yeah.
Maybe I just didn't believe you or something. I don't know.
Of course, I'm gonna want to gauge to see how fast this thing is gonna set. How much more cash I gotta throw at it.
Alright guys, so that's me wrap for this video. As always, please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Peace.